Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a very essential, very basic, but oh so delicious Snickerdoodle donut. It's going to have all those delicious Snickerdoodle flavors that we know and love. It's going to have that nice golden Snickerdoodle color. It can be topped and decorated and flavor comboed like no tomorrow with all delicious creative toppings like butterscotch or marshmallow or cherries like we've done before. Pretty much your imagination has no limits for these Snickerdoodle donuts. So I'm gonna go ahead, stop rambling, tell you to preheat your oven to 350 degrees, grab that recipe down below in the description, and let's go ahead and get started on some yummy, yummy donuts. So our first step is to get all of our dry ingredients nice and whisked together. So in our mixing bowl, we're gonna go ahead and add in our flour, our baking powder, our cinnamon, and our salt. Then we're gonna go ahead and give those all a nice quick little whisk. And once you have your dry ingredients nice and mixed in together, let's go ahead, scoot that over to the side, grab another mixing bowl, and to that we're gonna go ahead and add in our vegetable shortening. And with our hand mixer on a medium speed, we're gonna go ahead and whip up this shortening until it's light, even lighter because it's already white, but even lighter and nice and fluffy. And once you have that nice fluffy texture, let's go ahead and add to that our sugar. And then back in with our hand mixer and fully incorporate that sugar until it's nice and just blended in with that vegetable shortening. So once that sugar is fully worked into that vegetable shortening, we're gonna go ahead and start by adding in our eggs. So we're gonna add our eggs one at a time, give a egg mix until all of our eggs are beat into our mixture. So one egg, mix it up. Another egg, another mix. Another egg, and another mix. Another egg, another mix. And our last egg, and our last mix. And once all of your eggs are fully incorporated into your vegetable shortening and your sugar mixture, let's go ahead and slowly add in our vanilla and blend that in on a nice low speed. And once you have that vanilla nice and worked into your batter, we can go ahead and start adding in our flour mixture and our milk. So let's go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of our flour mixture, add a little bit milk, and on a low speed, with your hand mixer, slowly incorporate the flour and the milk into your batter. And then add more of your flour, more of your milk, give it a mix. And while we're still mixing with our hand mixer, we're gonna go ahead and continue to add in our flour and our milk and blend it all together. And just like that, you have your delicious Snickerdoodle donut batter. So we're gonna go ahead, transfer this to a piping bag, grab our donut pans, and we're gonna go ahead and fill each donut well about halfway full. If you wanna go 2/3 of the way full for a more fuller donut, you are more than welcome to. And once your donut pans are filled with your delicious Snickerdoodle donut batter, let's go ahead, slide them into the oven and let bake for a good 20 minutes. So our donuts have baked, they've cooled, they have that perfect golden Snickerdoodle color. It just looks so like, it makes me happy. These donuts, I don't know why, they're just golden donuts that are packed with cinnamon sugar, yummy Snickerdoodle flavor. They're so good. Can't wait to have them. I might have them all. Don't judge me. But anyway, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you like these quick, basic, essential recipes, helps me out and lets me know I'm sharing things with you guys that you all want to see and that you guys all like. And while you're down there giving this video a thumbs up, be sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any delicious recipes or any more delicious, yummy Snickerdoodle recipes, because who doesn't want those, right? I mean, Snickerdoodle, hello. And if you make your own yummy, delicious Snickerdoodle donuts and you go to town with decorating them and trying different flavors, definitely give a tag on Instagram. Let me see what you're baking in your kitchen. I'm gonna stop rambling even more, other than go click that link for the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway down below. But yeah, I'm gonna grab some donuts, grab a cup of coffee, take my little princess Gwenny out for a walk and enjoy the sunshine. So I hope you all do the same, and I will see you all very, very soon with another yummy, delicious, oh so tasty recipe. Maybe a Snickerdoodle, I don't know. But anyway, I'll go ahead and grab these donuts now and my coffee and get going. But have a good day. Bye. They're so good. Go make these donuts. Bye.